Hey, what's up, Taylor? Corey here. Thanks for passing this video along for me. Real quick, I'm going to shoot over a few tips that we can actually apply to your website, so that way we can actually move in the rankings and actually outrank some of your competitors, as well as start bringing in these leads that are coming in online as well. So the three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. So the first thing I'm actually going to go over is content. Really bringing your word count up so we can actually fit in those keywords. Those keywords are what people are actually searching for and how you're even being found. So really by increasing your content, we can layer in those keywords. Even these images, what they're saved as, this all has content behind it as well. You got janitorial icon. You can actually put keywords back there. That's just going to help with your rankings, so you can get on that first page to bring in those leads. Now, if I go inside of Google and type in house cleaning LK John, this is what you're going to see. You get these Google guarantees here at the top, which are actually replacing those old school ads, which have been really spammy. So these Google guarantees help block out some of those spammy phone calls. It's just another form of advertisement, really. They still get pretty pricey at the end of the day. A lot of people still have ad blockers, which they came out last year as well. I don't know if you're running ads, which I'll see here in just a minute. But underneath those ads, we have this little map section here, this GMB or Google My Business listing, whatever you want to call it. And to get to the very top where all the traffic is actually happening, you're going to be dealing with these online directories. These things are called citations. So really what we're going to do is go get those same citations from your top competitors. We obviously want to go out and outrank them as well. So I would do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google does all their algorithms, they got no reason to put you in the very top for all the work that you did in this listing. Underneath this map pack or the GMB thing, we have where all that organic traffic happens on that first page of Google. And really to get your keywords or your website found on that first page to bring in these leads, you're going to be dealing with all that content, making sure that you're found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is just a link from multiple different websites linking back to yours, so you can actually get drawing that power so you can get on that first page of Google, which not all backlinks are created equal. I took your URL and stuck it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool. It lets people like me see what happens behind the scenes of your site. So this is the history of your website here. This is the last 3 months. You got 83 referring domains, pushing back over 7,000 backlinks. You got 60 keywords you're being found for, 29 clicks to your site. You can actually come in and see where those clicks are coming from. You got your name here at the very top. Construction cleanup Los Angeles. There's a few clicks there. You're 20th position, so you're missing the traffic completely. Construction final cleanup. We got post-construction cleaning Los Angeles, another 40 clicks. 29th position, missing the traffic once again. Let's see here. Apartment cleaning San Diego. There's another 70 clicks. Once again, missing the traffic. You're the 5th page on Google. Apartment cleaning services San Diego, another 20 clicks. So it really comes in finding these keywords that's actually going to help you get more and more traffic, but also making sure we're doing that proper backlinking and also enough content so we're actually ranking high in with those keywords. I actually stuck green frog cleaning inside of Ahrefs, one of your competitors. Here's some of their keywords and also their rankings. Just want to go over some of these, like move out cleaning San Diego. There's another 100 clicks right there. They're 3rd position. They're getting 14% from that one keyword. Move out cleaning services San Diego. There's 80 clicks. 4th position. They're getting 8 clicks right there. We could do a lot more better backlinking, more quality backlinks, and we should see higher returns with that as well. Let's see here. House cleaning services San Diego, there's 150 clicks. They're not really ranking, but as long as you want to get that keyword, we can actually get some of that traffic there. Window cleaning services San Diego, there's 100 clicks for that keyword. Window washing San Diego, there's another 150. So really coming in, finding more of these keywords that's going to help drive more and more traffic, and it's really those quality backlinks that's going to get you on that first page. Anyway, I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you out there, or if you just want to play these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. Look forward to chatting soon. Bye.